Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you 10 different ways to reuse your old sari. So it's the most requested video in Tamil, so I just made a video on Tamil, so I thought of making the same in English also, because it would be definitely useful for everyone who have old saris. So let's get into the video. So first one is, if you have a Banarsi silk sari, you can make somewhat like this, like a long kameez, and also like a anarkali type, a full length of border kameez like this. And this is going to be a half sari, where most of them won't wear right now, but it was a trend before. And the next version of the half sari is like a lehenga type, and it's like a choli and the skirt. You can make it like this also. And this is the same of the pattu sari, so it's same like a lehenga type. And the next one is like a kurta, where both the sari border comes at the front. And if you have a brocade sari, you can try this type of kameez, a beautiful full kameez like this. And also for kids, you can try like making a frock out of this pattu sari. And this is a cover just to keep the sari. It's made out of old sari, so I'd be putting a video on Tamil making how to make this envelope cover to put your pattu sari in. And also you can make a beautiful curtains which looks really authentic, and it just looks really nice. And you can see the same curtain. I just given you a 3 to 4 sample of curtains. So and there's going to be another one. Look at that, how beautiful it is. And also you can make an envelope cover to keep your cell phone, and you can see how neat it is. And also like a tab, if you want, you can just keep the tab also. So I'll be doing an envelope video also for this purpose. And you can also make a cushion cover, so very pretty, very colorful, and you can see how beautiful it is. So if you have a very big long table, you can make a table runner also like this. So you can just place the center sari at the center of the table, and this is another version of putting the sari on the table. Look at that, so beautiful. And if you want, you can stitch a purse out of this, a zipper purse, and very beautiful purse. So another cover to keep your tab, your laptop, anything. It just looks really stunning. I've been making a same cover like this. And this is a coin purse with the leftover fabric and also with the sari fabric, and the zari work looks really beautiful. And this is another coin purse. So these are some of the different variation you can just do with your old sari. But the main thing is, you can give the old sari to the poor people, where they will use it as a new sari. So if you have a very damaged sari, you can try to make like this. And hope you like this video. And if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button right below this video. See you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.